Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. I'm going to list a CJ5 frame. It is fairly stock. It has been, one thing has been changed, I will show you that. It is in very good shape. It was part of a restoration a guy started and then ended up doing something else. So like a lot of guys do. Your loss is his gain. Let me flip that around. His loss is your gain. Sorry, the wind is a little bit perturbing today. Anyway, so if I'm not mistaken, I believe it had the Buick V6, and that was the only thing I didn't get with the whole thing. So I have the tub for this thing lying around somewhere as well. You can see that on the side as well. But that's what they did there. So they cut that and they put that box in, and then they welded this massive plate up here on it. And they were trying to do steering. I don't know what kind of steering. Somebody out there might know what they were going for. But that's the only thing. Otherwise, it's in very, very clean shape. It doesn't have, I don't want to say a spot of rust, because I'm sure somebody could find something on it, but it's very clean. It looks like to me somebody had blasted it one time and then started to repaint it. And then, of course, the paint is kind of flaked off from there. The only other thing I see is they put a support there, and I believe, yeah, it's on the other side too. I'll come around here so I can show you that. And then they did it as well back there. So they basically boxed in the frame in some of these areas, and I think they did it at the front as well. These frames are notoriously weak because of it's kind of a, I mean, it's a C-channel essentially. So instead of a box in fully frame, the people do that to them, and then, but anyway, I'm probably explaining this. Normally the guys who are into these fives know these a lot better than I do. So I just want to point it out in case you don't know. It is what it is. So anyway, the main thing again is that guy there and that guy up there, obviously. Maybe you can use it as is. If not, give me a holler. I might have another frame I can cut something off of. So it's always a possibility on these old frames. Let me flip this guy over. They're not super heavy. Actually, they're really light. And I'm going to show you the underside. So it says cut on it. Originally I was going to cut this frame, and then we just got to looking at it too much. It's too clean. So with that said, my guys did start cutting it, so that will need to be fixed there. You can just run a bead through there and grind it down. It should be fine. I didn't let it go all the way through it because, like I said, after I got to looking at it, it's just too clean of a frame. And these things are just getting kind of hard to get. So, it is what it is. So anyway, 303-666-9020. That back piece will probably want to get replaced. You can get those still. That's pretty mangled up. So 303-666-9020, jeepsunlimited.net. You can view this frame and others like it. I appreciate you watching the video and apologize about the wind today. All right, thanks a lot.